Hi everyone, it's Heidi from flutterbyheidi.co.uk, back with another project for you. And this time it is a cute little mini purse. These are a lovely, just a little way to gift some money. I've been doing kind of gift cards, but sometimes you actually want to give some cash. And if you look, it opens up and it will actually hold real money and obviously folded up a little note as well. And it's just kept closed with a little piece of ribbon. And obviously this is the organdy ribbon that we had during celebration, but obviously you could use whatever ribbon you happen to have. And the beauty of this paper is if you've just got some plain white ribbon, it would go there just as well. So that's what we're going to make today. Cute little purse using Gingham Gala designer series paper and the tabs for everything stamp set. So this is what I use for just little accents, and if you like this, get it soon because it won't be around for long. So you are going to need a single piece of designer series paper, DSP, and you're going to need your trimmer or a scoreboard. I'm working in millimeters and centimeters today. I will work it out in inches as well, so just pop along to my blog at flutterbyheidi.co.uk to find out how to do it, what the measurements are even. Right, so on the top here, can you see that? Yes, you can. Okay, so on the one side, just a standard size of 6x6 paper, 15.2 by 15.2 from our 6x6 stacks. Score at 4.5 and at 10.7. And then on the second side, you score at 2.7, at 7.2, at 8.2, at 9.2, and at 13.7. Okay, so that is our scoring done. So once you have done that, obviously just fold all of your score lines, and you'll find that there are 3 which are fairly close together, and that's going to be your middle section. So you'll find these 3 in the middle here, almost halfway. You're going to kind of fold those up. So to create that, if you can see that, there you go. And then on the sides, you just fold those up. Okay. You are going to need your snips. And you'll find that you've got a section which is slightly bigger, so you're going to cut this section out here. So it's just a square. Oh, and I've used my corner rounder as well. So you'll want a corner rounder punch. Okay. And then you'll want to cut away this bottom one as well. And you can just come slightly to the inside of that score line on this little short flap. So you'll end up with a piece like this. Next thing you're going to do, and you can either score these or you can, because it's DSP, you can just fold them. Just take the 2 edges and fold up to the side like so. And you can just see I'm just folding that there. And you do that 4 times. So just fold it up on the side, and then I just put my finger in and reinforce that triangle. Do the same on this other one. And this is based on a sort of an origami purse, that that kind of style of sort of folded pocket. There we go. So you'll end up with something like this. Looks a little bit like an explosion box, doesn't it? And all you're going to do is at the front here, you're going to fold this in and glue it just to keep it in place, and corner around the back here. So grab my corner rounder, which of course I have misplaced. There you go, just pop that on both of those. And in fact, there we go. I'm just going to do that one again. There we go. And we're just going to glue these two down. The reason you don't have to, I mean they will hold, but it just makes it a little bit more sturdy. Oh, that's my one where I managed to break the top off my Tombow. I think I might throw that one away. Oh dear, right, let's just spread some glue there, and some glue there. And all I'm going to do is just pop that in and fold it back. Pop that one in, fold it back. And other than making a complete mess, there you go. And I'm just holding that in place. Now obviously if you've got a clip handy, little binder clip, that would just hold that in place. And the glue is just there to make it just a little bit more rigid. And then all we do is fold the sides together and just pinch those. So you can see I've just created that little flat, so just like the bottom of a gift bag. And that is our purse completed. So all you need to do is pop your money in, and then we can fold the top over to create our little closure. You see the ribbon sold out so quickly I didn't even have a chance to demo the Daffodil Delight. Oh, it was Daffodil Delight cardstock, I should have said, shouldn't I? Sometimes we get carried away. Right, okay. So all you need to close it is a length of ribbon, so about 10 inches or so, something like that. You can always trim it down, and for the cost of a few centimetres of ribbon, it really isn't much. And then I just am using a length of baker's twine, and what I'm doing is I've made a loop. Pop your fingers in and just create a little loop. That just helps to keep it closed while you do your ribbon closure. So pop that there, pop your ribbon through. It would have been easier had I put some money in actually. It would have helped it stay up a little bit more. So all you do is, don't worry if it's not terribly tight to start off with, and what I do once I've done that is I just wrap it round the back and back to the front, like so, and then you can either tighten a knot. I probably haven't left myself enough to, might be able to do a bow. There we go. So just create your loop and round and again, and then to get it nice and snug, just pull your two pieces apart. I'm just going to make a mess of that one completely. There we go. Right, there we go. And then to create the little tab, what I've done is just taken a 1-inch circle of card. So just out of a scrap of card, punch a 1-inch circle, and you pop that at the back of there. Take your glue dots, or a bit of glue, whichever your preferred adhesive is. I find glue dots are quite, to make it some kind of more manageable really, and just pop a glue dot on either side. Yeah. And by putting a glue dot on either side, it just means it slides more easily rather than being stuck to the ribbon. So glue dot either side. Oh, I haven't done any stamping yet. That would help, wouldn't it? Take your ink, Daffodil Delight, and just, all I'm doing is just stamping the circle, stamping the "for you" in the middle there. You probably couldn't see that. I had to bring it close. I really must get some new glasses. I'm starting to get a little bit where I need my varifocals adjusting. And then just come in with your 3/4 of an inch punch and punch out. And then with that, add a tiny bit of glue and pop it on the front there. So there you have a pretty little coin pouch to gift away a little bit of money. Perfect for just popping in someone's pocket in their lunchbox. A great way for dinner money for kids. It's just a bit of fun, and all they need to do then is just slide that off. And as I say, it's quite spacious. I've just about found the money I was going to pop in it. That's just some British 50p coins, and they fit in there. And as I say, you could even fold up a note and pop it in there as well. And when they pop it back on, all you have to do is just pull those ribbons apart to tighten it up. So there you have a couple of teeny tiny origami purses. Have fun, enjoy, bye bye.